established to pursue to contain objectives for the collective efforts of the people. Now I am going to discuss about the medical store. Medical store is one of the most important store. Medical store is one of the most important. Medical store plays a very crucial role. Medical store plays a very important role. The medical store depots are already established in the different parts of the country under the medical store organizations, primarily to be the needs of army units. Now next topic is the what is essential for a good medical store. Pharmacy license. License is required in the every field of life. Not in the every field of life, but in some field of life. If we buy any car or for we have to make license, issue license on which we have to run the car or bike. In the same way, there is a pharmacy license. Pharmacy license is the license of the pharmacy to do the various activities in the medical store. Next one is the land registration. Registration of land is very important. Land is required in every field of life. I am studying on there is a land. We all are studying there is a land. So this will be registration of land. If the registration of land is not done, a time comes when the government, if we establish any medical store in the government area, then the government will take the land on behalf of the customer. Registration of pharmacies. Pharmacy, there should be registration of the pharmacies. Pharmacies play a very crucial role. The pharmacy is the art of making medicines. So there should be registration of pharmacies. Next is the registration of business. First we will discuss about the business. Business refers to those economic activity which are conducted with sales, distribution, production, goods and services with the main objective or earning profit. There should be registration of business. In the medical store, we are doing such type of business by selling medicines to the general public and also accept their money. So if it is not based on the business, so how they will give the salaries to their workers and officers in the work. Next one is the tax registration. This is the registration of tax. Tax play an important role. Suppose a person establishes a medical store in the hospital, but he is not pay. There is no registration of tax. Then a time can come when the CBI or Central Bureau of Investigation can come and take their money. Next one is the registration for drug license. Drug license is very important. Now function of medical stores in hospital organization. The medical store, the main function of the medical store is to provide good medicine in maximum retail price or minimum retail price. The medical store is responsible to develop, maintain and manage a record. The other important function of the medical is to provide a good quality of medicines related to their habits. If the medical store gives medicine only when it is prescribed by the other doctor. Next one is there are the following items in the medical store. Drug is a substance, chemical substance that cause change in organism physiology or psychology. If we take drugs in large quantity without directly, then it creates a lot of problem. But if we take the drugs indirectly, as you know that when we are eating any medicines or drinking any syrup, so in the syrup there is also presence of drugs, but it does not harmful for us. So if we take the drugs in large quantity, then it will create a lot of problem, and the person will die and no longer for more. Next, sterile. Sterile is one of the most important things. Sterile is the word sterile has been done from the Latin word sterilization, which means clean the organization. A sterile surgical instrument in the medical sterilization is very. This is one of the most important thing, and this is one of the most important. This play a very crucial role. If there are no sterile, then the transfer of mechanism takes place in all the corner. If the person is standing in any place in the hospital, or the person is sitting in any place, so there is covered by all the microorganisms. Sterile is one of the most important things to kill the microorganisms. As you know, the pharmacy is the art of preparing and dispensing drugs. If pharmacy is one of the most important element in the hospital. If there are no pharmacy, the person will go to the doctor to get treatment, but not getting pharmacy, he will not be able to recover as early as possible. Pharmacy is the art of profession of preparing and dispensing drugs and medicine. So pharmacy is one of the most important element in the hospital. Cosmetic is one of the most important elements, or cosmetics play a very role. When we are discussing about cosmetics, we are having in mind about the differences. The cosmetic is done to make the people more attractive, beautiful and graceful. So cosmetics play a very crucial role. The example of cosmetic are skin powders, or sometimes when the people are burn his leg, first of all he will go to the doctor, dermatologist, consult the dermatologist. After that he will do the surgical face operations. After that he will accept the tragedy of the cosmetic. Next is the scissors. Scissors is one of the most important things. Scissors play a very crucial role. Scissors is used by the doctor to cut the tissue. If there are no scissors, then the operation head or operation doctor will not able to cut the tissues and the operation is not done. If the person went to the doctor and get treatment, doctor said that you have to get some scissor operations. If you will take any medicine but does not do any scissor operation, then it cannot be survived for a long period of time. Next, injection. There are the following methods used to inject before you done the injection. Washing your first one is washing your hand. If before doing any injection, first you have to do washing your hand. Gather or needed survive. Then the second is to gather or needed survive. That is the location in the hand. If the person want to give injection in the vein, but he will already give the injection to the other side, it creates lots of problems. The person will be hang or suffer to another. Recurrence will be condition. Sometimes when the injection, the main purpose of the injection is to provide injection in the good surface area and remove the needles. Now there is the range of grocery. In the grocery is one of the most important aspects of medical store. Grocery plays great. In the grocery there are the different types of items has been prepared. In the grocery there is the item of all the food like this plays grocery role.
Ma'am,
Saline. Saline is also known as found as a mixture of sodium chloride and water and medicine. Uses the medicine to command. Thank you. Have a nice day.